Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GitLab CI AI pipelines with backups, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have access to the GitLab server where your CI pipelines are hosted. Log into your GitLab server using SSH or your preferred remote access method. Navigate to the directory containing your GitLab installation. Locate the GitLab configuration file, typically found in /etc/gitlab/gitlab.rb. Open the configuration file in a text editor with administrative privileges. Look for the section that specifies backup settings. Ensure that the backup configuration is set to active. You can also customize the backup directory by editing the appropriate setting. Next, run the backup command manually to ensure that the process works correctly. Use the command GitLab rake GitLab backup create to initiate a backup. Monitor the command output for any errors or warnings. Once the backup is complete, locate your backup files in the specified directory. It's important to verify the integrity of your backup files. Consider automating the backup process by scheduling it. Use a cron job to schedule regular backups, which will help maintain data consistency. Edit your crontab file by executing crontab E. Add a new line to specify the timing in command for the backup job. A typical cron entry might look like 02***/usr/bin/gitlab rake GitLab backup create. This would run the backup daily at 2 a.m. Next, validate that your cron job is correctly scheduled. You can check schedule jobs by running crontab L. Ensure you have adequate disk space available for each backup. Regularly clean up older backup files to manage storage. You can do this manually or configure a script to automate cleanup. If you're using external storage, consider syncing your backups. Use tools like RSINC or cloud services for additional redundancy. Always document your backup procedures for future reference. Test your backups periodically by restoring them in a test environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.